Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive into our word of the day, architecture. Architecture is a noun, and it refers to the design and style of buildings. It's all about the art and science behind how structures are planned and created. Whether it's the sleek lines of a modern skyscraper or the intricate carvings of a Gothic cathedral, architecture plays a huge role in shaping the spaces where we live, work, and play. Let's talk about some synonyms for architecture. Words like design, construction, and framework can sometimes capture similar ideas. For example, you might say, the design of the new library is both functional and beautiful, or the construction of that bridge reflects innovative thinking. Each of these words gives a slightly different angle on what architecture can mean. Now, let's look at some antonyms for architecture. While it's a bit tricky to find direct opposites, terms like disorder or chaos might highlight the absence of architecture. For instance, without proper planning, the layout of the city turned into chaos. In everyday life, you can find architecture all around you. Think about the house you live in, the office you work in, or even the park you visit. When you admire how these spaces are put together, you're appreciating architecture. You might use it in conversations like, "The architecture of this museum is stunning," or "I'm studying architecture because I want to design eco-friendly homes." Here are a few more examples of how you can use architecture in sentences. The ancient architecture of Rome attracts millions of tourists every year. She loves taking photos of modern architecture for her blog. The school's new architecture emphasizes natural light and open spaces. Thank you for joining me today to learn all about architecture. We've explored its definition, synonyms, antonyms, and how it's used in daily life. I hope you found this episode enlightening and fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I also encourage you to create your own sentence using architecture and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep building your vocabulary and have a fantastic day.